Community forestry is really about all the plants and trees that grow in an environment where people live. The importance of trees in our communities really can't be overstated.
We owe future generations what the past generations have provided us. The value of the community forest and the way it's defined is the notion that all these trees work together. There's so much research that shows how much this kind of resource pays back over time. We know this works, and we can quantify it. The more you know about the value of trees, the more we realize it's an investment, not a cost.
It's called a community forest for a reason. It's there for the whole community to serve all of us, and we are there to serve it as well. If you'd like to learn more about how you can support your community forest, visit the Nebraska Forest Service today at nfs.unl.edu.